Amid the rush of his first 100 days, President Trump is talking policy.
My administration remains very focused on the issues that will encourage economic growth.
But problems are frequently blocking out that message, creating a picture of a White House in chaos.
These attempts to lessen the enthusiasm of the inauguration are shameful and wrong.
It started on day one with the unproven claim of a record inauguration audience, which, when challenged, produced the wildly quotable statement.
Our press secretary gave alternative facts to that.
Then the president himself chimed in, insisting while he won the electoral vote, he gathered fewer popular votes in the general election only because of illegal voting.
There are millions of votes, in my opinion.
Again, no proof. And on it goes. A meeting with Mexico fell apart amid sharp words. A raid in Yemen went tragically wrong. The president insisted terrorism is running so out of control.
It's gotten to a point where it's not even being reported.
When that claim was disputed, he issued a list of underreported incidents, which took heat too. The president fired the acting attorney general for not enforcing his travel ban.
She was rightfully removed.
Only to have the courts halt the ban anyway. Even as he has struggled to get his promised repeal of Obamacare rolling in earnest, the president has attacked Democrats for trying to slow down approval of his cabinet members.
They could move faster on the other side, I will say that.
Only to see his choice for labor secretary withdraw his nomination 2 days after the ouster of his national security advisor amid concerns about ties to Russia. And for all that, he found time to fire a Twitter rocket at Nordstrom's for pulling his daughter's merchandise, which a top aide urged people to buy anyway, which another aide suggested was not the right move.
Kellyanne has been counseled.
Certainly, all new presidents face challenges. But in the first 100 days, Bill Clinton passed a federal budget and signed the Family Leave Act. George W. Bush ushered in No Child Left Behind and started work on big tax cuts. And Barack Obama launched the economic stimulus and laid the groundwork for Obamacare.